So I've been eating pancakes that is deeply fried, okay, for some time now. But then I recently came across pancake that is just fried with little oil. And the former pancake I used to eat, I considered it very unhealthy, because of the method of frying it. Because it's really deeply fried. And then after eating it, you know that this is an unhealthy food that you don't need to be eating every single time. And so I decided to stay away from it. I ate it only once every 3 to 4 months. But then when I came across this, I felt it was a bit healthy, and we tried out something, unique, in adding carrots, diced carrots, into it. And I hope you will enjoy it while you watch this video. I'll see you. Bye. So before adding this carrots, we added, this is a 5 cooking spoons of flour, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and pepper to taste. So you just mix all of them together before you add this diced carrots. And when you do that, you then have to turn it well for everything to mix together. And then you add your water to your consistency, and that will be it. You turn it very, very well. All right. You can add more water, you know, based on the consistency you want. Yeah. So you just keep turning it very well until you get that consistency of your choice. So we kept turning it and adding more water to it, kept turning and adding more water. We kept turning and adding more water to it until it has become really smooth, right? So you just keep turning it well, just to mix everything together, all right? Now you see how smooth it is after we have taken time to add water and turn and mix everything together to a very nice consistency. You can see how it looks now. So everything has mixed well and the consistency is good and ready to go. Yeah, it's now looking very fine for us to fry. And so we had to taste to make sure that it's tasty enough. And we added a little bit more water to it to make sure that it is good to go for frying. Okay, so I think everything should be ready. Yep. So look how it looks now. Look how it looks now. The consistency is very, very nice. And this is just about the time we are to fry it. Yeah, you can see the carrots are just sailing on top, you know, they're just sailing on top. So we're about frying. Just add just about 5 gram or just less than 10 gram of oil on frying pan, and then you just, you just pour the pancake mixed. Okay, you can pour 2 or 3 spoons of this cooking spoon and then allow it 3 times according to her. So our pancake is on fire. Pancake carrots. Carrot Carrot pancake. Not cover. Mm. So this looking nice. Then cover it with a pot cover and wait for a while. So which one is the best cover? It's transparent. This like this cover now, so that you don't need to be opening and opening. Through it to see when you see through it. Someone want to open and okay. Then okay, that's good. Yes. You just had to turn it. I'll leave it next time. I'll leave it some more, a little more, so that it gets to be more brown. Wow. So we're about turning it. Wow. This is good. This is good. Stop deep frying your pancakes. This is a good way to prepare your pancakes and make it look gorgeous. Don't you love it? To prepare your pancakes in a healthy way. Alright, you just add on just less than a tablespoon of oil and then put your pancakes. Here we go. Now you just cover it with a pot cover and you keep observing it. So this is how the outcome is. Our very healthy pancakes, carrots pancakes. This is yummy and healthy. Now here is the outcome of our pancake. So yummy, lovely, and healthy. See what it looks like. Carrot diced pancakes. So yummy and ready. So here's your pancake. It's ready. See how yummy it looks. Healthy and yummy. You can try this at home. See ya. Bye.